Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, I am going to make an important announcement. So without skipping, please watch the video. Before going to the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notifications. In this video, we are going to review our past couple of weeks trades. Normally we are doing the trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Each and every day we are predicting the market and we made the videos, and based on the videos we are taking the calls and we made some profits or loss. So those things we will be discussed in this video. For the past 1 month, around 25 days we was traded in Nifty and Bank Nifty. These services I was made it as a free for the first month, and now we are going to review the trades and outputs. We are monitoring our outputs and we made Excels. We were maintaining each and every day and we will update in the review videos. So this is the outputs which we was done it for past 25 days. This Excel sheet is not a simple output. Every day we are posting our reviews and we are updating there the execution window. Those results we are pasting here and we are adding our results. So out of this 25 days I was able to trade 11 days. Out of this 11 days, 6 days was profit and 5 days was loss. Our trades were almost equal profits, equal loss, like that it is there, but exactly it is not happened like that. Out of this 6 days profit and including of 5 days loss, we made very good profits overall. So I have made around 1019 points captured in the past couple of weeks. That includes my all losses also. So in percentage wise, I have captured 986% of my traded value. That means whichever I was invested the money, out of that 986% I got the growth within this past couple of weeks. This is not a easy thing, but we made it. In our team also we fetched a very good profit. I am happy for that, for my predictions and my team growth. So this is the one of the video which I have mentioned. One is the predictions we was made, and the 2 is the result, real time market result. So whatever we was predicted, exactly the same thing happened and we made a very good profit out of it. This is an example for our trades. The video which we was posted on 8/7/21 morning 6 o'clock. So we predicted the market will go in downside. The real time market also it's happened like that. We fetched very good profits in this. Within a day, within one day itself, we fetched around 400 times profits. So all times we will not get like this, but averagely we are always booking the very good profits. Almost 95% of our trades are going success, and we fetched very decent profits. Some other executions also I am showing here, second day and even third day also. I am not lying, it's a real. I invited you people to visit our channel here so that you could come to know each and every trades and each and every results. I was posted in that day itself, and the predictions I was posted the yearly day itself. This is our channel name called the Trading Clan. You can search in YouTube. You could find the Trading Clan channel. So this is the channel. This is our channel Trading Clan. I welcome you all in our channel. So we are doing the predictions based on price action techniques. We are very simple methods we are following. With the price action techniques itself, we made very good profits. These are the videos, around 67 videos I have posted. Each and every day I was predicting the market and I was posted the videos. So we fetched very decent profits out of it. So these are the 25 days trades and we made very decent profits. You can have a look on each and every video so that you can come to know what the exactly we was predicted and what the exactly results we came to know. Even maybe in loss also we made it. Here morning I will make the predictions video, and based on the predictions video we will do the trade as a team, and outputs we will be posting in the evening. That means we will make the profit or we will make the loss. We will book our review videos in the evening and the outputs will be posted there. Those consolidations are I was shown in the earlier slides. Let me have a look on one of the slides, one of the video. This is was my prediction one day, and the market will go downside like that I was expected. For Nifty also I was expected the market will go down, and it will touch our targets like that we was posted in the video. And you can see here the conditions also we was mentioned in that video. The exactly market went to our predictions. Exactly we was kept as our 15,750 is the target. This is the conclusion page of that predictions video. Now let me move on to the real time market, what is happening in that day. So this is the review video I have posted on the evening of the same day. You can see here the market will go down like that we was predicted in the earlier slides, and the real time market is happened exactly same like that our predictions. Almost 95% or 90% of our trades were doing good, and we are fetching very good profits. This is one of the example I want to show it to you, so I have shared this one. So in our WhatsApp group discussion we was made our discussion every day. So all calls will be shared here, at what price we have to take and what price we have to execute, which is our stop loss, and where and all we need to take it fear, and where we need to hold the trades. All those points will be discussed here. You can check it in our WhatsApp group, you can check it in our YouTube channel. This is the one of the day discussion. So in this day we made us a very good profit. So similarly we will open one more day, that is maybe for yesterday, the Friday, what we was predicted and what was the real time. So this is the Friday predictions video which I have made. The market will go in downside and it will hit the target of our resistance line like that. I have posted the video in the morning itself. Before yesterday itself I was posted, and the targets also very clearly I was given. So this is for Bank Nifty I was posted, and for Nifty also we was predicted as well, and we was posting our predictions here over there. The Nifty it will go down like downside only like that we was predicted, and similarly it was happened, and it's touched the 15,800. So final the conclusion also we will post in each and every predictions videos. The conclusion page we will mention that the Bank Nifty will touch 15,800. So this is the conclusion. Bank Nifty and Nifty it will go downside like that we was mentioned. The real time also it is happened like that. So now we will have a look on the real time market on the same day. We will go to the our videos again. So the review video, you can see the review video. This is the real time market video of yesterday. So the one which I was mentioned is called predictions video. The two which I was mentioned is called the real time video. So we was expected the market will go downside and it will hit our targets. We was mentioned clearly 35,700 and 15,880 for Nifty. The exactly the similar thing has happened. Bank Nifty reached 35,700 and Nifty reached 15,880. See the exact predictions. Slightly market will go up and it will hit it down and it will hit the target like that we was predicted. See the real time market, exactly the same thing happened. Ditto, without deviating anything, it's happened the real time. So almost 95% of our trades were very good, and we are fetching very decent profits. So some of our people have taken the trades and they made very good profit out of it. So I am mentioning here those videos. I requested you people to visit our channel on the videos, so you could understand how to do getting trade and how to fetch the profits. So these services we was made it for free for the first month. If you want like kind of trades and outputs, you can contact me. The number will be given in the upcoming slides. So this is the simple steps we are following. Our one successful trade should compensate our 3 failure trades, even though we should be in our profits. So this is the very simple example we are following to develop our growth. Our aim is we should not be rich in within one trade. The consistently we have to book the profits and we should make a big ocean. No one can predict 100%, but overall we should be in profit. That's what our intention. We are following the disciplines: quantity, stop loss, and entry and exits. Quantity is very important for trades. For every trade we should use only 25% of our capital as a max, and stop loss for 30% of the particular trade can be a stop loss we can keep, because we are doing trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty, so 30% is possible. So moreover, we should not be in trade, we should come out. So our entries and exits are very clear because of our exit predictions, accurate predictions. So we will enter very early in the market so that our risk will be coming down. So this is the secret of our success. Hereafter I will do the predictions, and the predictions output will be shared to who are interested in trades. You can, people who are interested in trades, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number, so that you can also enjoy the trade and you can fetch the good profits. Almost our trades are very accurate. You can see our predictions and reviews videos, and if you interested, you can contact me in this number. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Grow with us.